Hermes AI Agent automate anything. You are doing things manually that an AI agent could be doing for you right now. Every report, every backup, every repetitive task. You are spending hours on work that should take seconds. And the worst part, most people still don't know this tool exists. It's free, it's open source, and it just keeps getting smarter the longer you use it. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and today I'm breaking down Hermes AI Agent, what it is, how it works, and exactly how to set it up so you can start automating your workflow today. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you are going to see why this is one of the most powerful open source AI agents available right now. And I'm going to show you some features that most people have no idea even exist. Let's get into it. So first, what is Hermes Agent? Hermes Agent is a free open source autonomous AI agent built by Noose Research. Tagline is the agent that grows with you, and that's not just marketing. It literally gets smarter over time. More on that in a minute. It's not a chatbot. It's not a coding assistant tied to some IDE. It's a full autonomous agent that lives on a server, remembers what it learns, and gets more capable the longer it runs. It's already got nearly 2,000 stars on GitHub with hundreds of forks. And it's under an MIT license, which means it's completely free to use and modify. Here's what I want you to pay attention to, because this is where Hermes is different from most AI tools you've probably seen. Most AI tools are reactive. You ask, they answer. You close the tab, they forget everything. Hermes has a closed learning loop. It builds persistent memory. It creates its own skills from experience. It searches its own past conversations. And it builds a model of who you are and how you work across sessions, not just within one. Stay with me, because I'm going to walk you through the features one by one, and then we'll get into exactly how to install it. Let's talk about the tools first. Hermes comes with over 40 built-in tools right out of the box. Web search, terminal access, file system control, browser automation, image generation, text-to-speech, code execution, memory management, task planning, Cron scheduling, multi-model reasoning, and more. You don't have to configure any of this manually. It's all bundled in. It also supports MCP integration, Model Context Protocol, which means you can connect it to external tools and services to extend what it can do even further. Now let's talk about where you can actually talk to Hermes, because this surprises a lot of people. You're not locked to a terminal on your laptop. You can talk to Hermes through Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, and the command line, all from a single gateway process. You could be on your phone, send a message on Telegram, and your agent is working on a cloud server in the background. It even supports voice memo transcription. Well, let me get into the skills system, because this is one of the most interesting parts of Hermes. After Hermes completes a complex task, it can automatically create a skill from that experience. These skills are like saved procedures. Next time you need something similar done, it doesn't start from scratch, it pulls from what it already knows how to do. And those skills self-improve during use. So over time, the procedures get better, not just more numerous. You can also install community-made skills from platforms like ClawHub, LobeHub, and GitHub. There are already over 40 bundled skills covering things like MLOps workflows, GitHub automation, research tasks, and more. That's the real meaning behind grows with you. There's a genuine technical mechanism behind it, not just a tagline. Let's talk about scheduling. This is where Hermes becomes a truly hands-off automation tool. Hermes has a built-in Cron scheduler. Cron is a way to run tasks on a set schedule, daily, weekly, nightly. But you don't have to write Cron syntax. You describe what you want in plain language, Hermes sets it up, and it runs unattended. Delivers results to whatever platform you're using, Telegram, Discord, wherever. Nightly backups, weekly reports, scheduled research briefings, edit once. Runs on its own. I want to talk about sub-agent delegation now, and this is where things get really interesting. Hermes can spawn isolated sub-agents. Think of them like separate workers running in parallel. Each one has its own conversation context and terminal. You can also write Python scripts that call tools through RPC, remote procedure calls, which collapses multi-step workflows into a single step without burning through your context window. For anyone handling complex workflows with multiple moving parts, this is a significant capability. Here's something I want to mention, and I'll come back to this at the end. When I first started digging into tools like Hermes, I had no idea which features were actually worth using and which ones were just cool demos that didn't save time in practice. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. With over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. Community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Right, back to it. Let's talk about where Hermes runs, because this is more flexible than most people expect. Locally on your own machine. In a Docker container with full security sandboxing, read-only root file system, dropped privileges, namespace isolation, over SSH on a remote server. or on cloud platforms like Modal or Daytona, which are serverless, your agent hibernates when idle and wakes on demand, so running costs between sessions stay minimal. They specifically mention you can run this on a $5 VPS. You don't need expensive infrastructure to get started. Now let's talk about models. Hermes is not locked to one AI model. You can connect it to the Noose portal Open Router, which supports over 200 different models, OpenAI, or your own custom endpoint. Switching is one command, Hermes model, and you pick what you want. No code changes. No rebuilding anything. Let me walk you through how to actually install this. Hermes runs on Linux, macOS, and WSL2. SL2 is Windows subsystem for Linux, so Windows users can run it through that. The installation is a single command, curl fsSL https raw github usercontent.com, nouse research Hermes agent main scripts install eshos bash. The installer handles everything automatically, Python, Node.js, all dependencies, and the Hermes command itself. No manual prerequisites. After that, run source achant bashuk to reload your shell, or source achant zia if you use ZSH. Then type Hermes setup to connect your model provider. Use Portal with OAuth, an Open Router API key, or your own endpoint. And type Hermes and you're in. Whole process is designed to take under 60 seconds. A few other commands worth knowing. Hermes Gateway Setup walks you through connecting Telegram, Discord, Slack, or WhatsApp. Hermes Update pulls the latest version. Hermes Doctor diagnoses any issues. One thing to be straight about, Hermes is a technical tool. You'll get the most out of it if you're comfortable in a terminal. The setup is simple, but this is not a click-and-go app. Documentation covers everything. Quick start, CLI reference, configuration, memory, skills, scheduling, all of it is at hermesagent.nooseresearch.com docs. There's also a Discord community run by Noose Research if you need help. And the project is actively maintained with over 800 commits on GitHub. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. With 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip or hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this video helped you, drop a like. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this. Cover the AI tools that are actually worth your time. I'll see you in the next one.